Okay, so some people will buy fish and make it basic, but not in this house and not in your house. We're making Haitian red snapper stew that will make you want to call your grandmother. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Marlene here with Savory Thoughts. So, we are making super tender, delicious red snapper stew. Now, when you're making your red snapper stew, you want to make sure that it is seasoned properly. And we are talking about our Jacmel seasoning, which you can find on our website at savorythoughts.com. We're also adding in Haitian Epis, which also you can find on our website at savorythoughts.com. We're also adding in mixed vegetables, and we're talking about leeks, bell pepper, and we're also talking about garlic. Now, be sure that you use vegetables that are fresh. You can get them at your local grocery store or farmer's market. And though this is not traditionally added, but we also added in baby Bella mushrooms. Now, you want to use the ones that are split, it's easier, or you can just buy them whole and slice them yourself. Either way, it's perfectly fine. So you want to saute your vegetables. Once you're done, after a minute or two, then you want to add your tomato paste. And don't worry, guys, we have the full recipe on our website at savorythoughts.com and also in the description below. Plus, if you watch our live, we're showing you how to make this with ease. Okay, so there are many ways for you to get the full recipe. So to this stew, I'm also adding in one of my favorite red wines. You be sure to use one that you truly enjoy because that's going to be embedded in the sauce. Okay, we want to make sure that our sauce is nice and thick, and also making sure that it's deep red in color. Now, it would not be a Haitian stew if we don't add lime or lemon. So you want to make sure that your fish have some sort of mild acid in it. So we are coming in with not only white wine vinegar, but we're also adding in juice from one lime. So after everything has been put together and you are starting to pile up on the flavor profile, then you want to go ahead and add your fish. I'm using 2 red snappers that's been properly cleaned. And also I made 2 slits on the sides just so that the seasoning can really embed itself into the fish. Now you should also let your fish marinate for at least 2 hours, but it's best overnight. So in the bowl, I'm adding in water and I'm mixing it around just so I can get all of the seasoning and put it back into the stew. Give it a quick stir, not to disturb it. And you want to add in your Jacmel seasoning just to top that off. And if you're not familiar with our Jacmel seasoning, it is our drier version of, similar to the Haitian Epis. It's prepared for you so that you do not need any more ingredients. But if you do add other ingredients or spices, it works well. So we're also adding in just a little bit of the Haitian Epis, Worcestershire sauce, as well as a little bit more of the white wine vinegar. All of that is going to enhance the flavor of your stew. So once you're done, always clean out your pot just to make sure everything is nice and ready for you, because you are taking the time to make this delicious meal. So why not make it look pretty, right? So go ahead and cover it and allow it to simmer. Every so often you want to just, swirl it around, give it a quick stir, and make sure that it's not sticking to the bottom of the pan, as well as you want to help the fish cook, especially if you're short on time. So just coat the fish with the vegetables and also the broth or sauce. Go ahead and cover it and continue checking it here and there. Now, another ingredient that we are adding in are capers. I like it on salads, but I also like it in fish because it has a slight acidic flavor, sweet acidic flavor, which works well with seafood. And you can get that in the condiment section at your local grocery store. So go ahead and add that in and cover it, allow it to simmer. Once you are done and your fish is cooked to your liking, now you have a beautiful fish stew that you can pair with your favorite Haitian red beans and rice, all of which are also on the website at savorythoughts.com. So guys, thank you so much for watching. We truly hope that you enjoyed not only the live but also the video, and let's work our way to get into 5,000 subscribers, because the more we have, the better it is for us to show our delicious food to the world. Okay, so don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Cheers.